Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? And so I'm back with another look from my Cosmic Brushes haul. And so I thought we'd go ahead and get started as far as what I have on. And I did go ahead and use the Revolution Skin Silk in F2, and then the Lumi Glotion, I think this one is 901. So I had those two on as the base today. And then I did go ahead and mix my concealers. I used some of the e.l.f. And this one's in light rosy, I think. And then the next Bear With Me, and this is the lightest shade, so I went ahead and used these two. As far as what I did for a bronzer today, Revolution, this is their holiday bronzer. It's baked and it has some shimmer in it, so that's what I went ahead and used there. With Cosmic Brushes, I actually got their 'Tis the Season, the whole holiday bundle, and so today I used parts of it. So I did go ahead and mix my blushes today. I used Nutmeg from Cosmic Brushes, and let's see if I can get this open. There we go. So I used some of Nutmeg, and then I went ahead and mixed it with some of Mary, and so that's what I have on as far as the blushes today. Again, I did go ahead and mix them together. I also have on the NYX, and this is Bright and Butta. So this is their highlighter, and that's what I have on there. Let's see, as far as lipstick today, I did go ahead and go with Ginger Snap. Again, this is from Cosmic Brushes. And I put some of the e.l.f. Lip gloss with glitter. So yeah, I think that turned out really pretty. And as far as what I went ahead and used for the eye look today, and it's really punchy, as well as 'Tis the Season, I picked up that whole collection, and I got the Serenity palette as well. So as far as what I went ahead and did here, in the crease, I went ahead and put the Periwinkle color. And let's see, I did that from about the middle of the eye toward the end of the eye. And then I did go ahead and use this purple, and I took that from the middle of the eye out. This is a really pretty duochrome, and I put this right under the eyebrow and then from here to here. So I do have that one on. As far as what I went ahead and did for the, I went ahead and put this blue, and it's a duochrome, on the outside of the lid, and then on the inside of the lid, I put this duochrome, and this one goes purple. And then I did top it with a little bit of this. So there's an awful lot going on in this look, but I think it turned out really pretty. And I did go ahead and use the purple as my eyeliner today. Again, this is the Serenity palette by Cosmic Brushes. Really, really pretty palette. The colors are gorgeous, and the formula is really, really pigmented. The mattes work out really pretty, and the duochromes are just gorgeous as well. As far as the way the look came out, so that's the way that came out, and I thought it came out really fun. And the whole look came out really fun. Like I said, I'm really glad that I did the haul from Cosmic Brushes, and I haven't been disappointed at all with the formula or with the colors or with the pigments. So yeah, it was a really good haul, and I'm really glad that I went ahead and did that. And I think that's probably the video for today. So well, other than what I usually use, which is going to be the Make Me Brow by Essence and the Catrice Sungasm as far as my finishing powder. And I did go ahead and use the Sky High mascara, and then I topped it with the Tartelette tubing mascara. So that's what I did there, and those are all the regular suspects that I usually go ahead and use. And I think that's the video, and I hope that y'all have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.